Hello Fly crew members, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of the Fly crew. So I know it has been a few weeks since I've uploaded to my channel, but I have been very busy. As you all know, in my previous vlog I told you that I started back work and I am fully back in the swing of things. I've also been working in the chiropractic office as well. This morning I'm getting ready to go to occupational therapy. If you want to know details about that, just check out this vlog. As I mentioned, I'm getting ready to go to occupational therapy, and I pushed my appointment a little bit earlier today. I thought I was going to go to work this evening, but this is a slow season. I don't think I'll be able to pick up anything to work. What I'm about to do now is throw in a jacket. I'm going ahead and take Maxximus out, and then I'm going to head over to therapy, and I'll catch y'all in a bit. All right, Fly crew, so I'm done with occupational / physical therapy. I think this is more occupational therapy, but I'm done with my therapy. So right now I'm about to get ready to head home. I need to take Maxximus on a longer walk, myself as well. And then I'm gonna do an activity later on. So let's head to the house. I am back home. I've already eaten lunch. I was getting ready to change clothes because I'm going to indoor skydiving. I'm interested in going skydiving one day, but I feel like I need to do baby skydiving first, which is iFly. We have a location here in Atlanta. I know it's not the same, but I think it's a good start for me building up my courage to actually jump out of an airplane assisted with somebody on my back. So I said all of that to say I was going to change clothes. I'm actually going to keep on this bodysuit. And one thing I want to say about this bodysuit is that I was nervous when I took it out of the package. I feel like a lot of clothes now, they're made for BBL bodies, and this is no tea, no shade on that, but why did it have hips already built in? I thought that was kind of weird. When I put it on, I liked it. I like the zip in the front. I like how you could zip it all the way up, zip it down, and it actually worked out. Again, I went to therapy earlier and I needed easy access to my right arm. I was considering taking my hair down and wearing out my little twist out, my afro, but when I looked online, it didn't say you shouldn't have your hair out. It just said a low bun would be best. And since my hair is already in a low bun, I'm just gonna retwist up this area because as you can tell, it's probably frizzy. I'm just gonna make it fresh. I've had these in for probably a week now. So it's time for a fresh little retwist to get it back smooth again. Just gonna put a little bit of edge control right here. All right, so now that I have my hair freshly twisted, I'm going to go ahead and put on some jewelry, but wait, let me read the instructions one more time because I feel like if I should wear my hair in a ponytail and wear form-fitting clothes, they probably don't want me to wear jewelry. So let me take a look at that and I'll be right back. So no, they do not want you to wear any type of jewelry. Of course, you can wear stud earrings, things like that. I'm just going to avoid wearing any dangly earrings, no tight necklaces, no bracelets. I'm only going to wear my watch when I go. So I was going to tell you all about Anna Luisa because I was going to put her some pieces, but I'm still going to tell you all about Anna Luisa. And as you all know, Valentine's Day is approaching. And if you celebrate Valentine's Day, they have many jewelry pieces that you can give to your friends or your family or a loved one. And if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, it's just still good to go over there and give somebody something just because. So I have all of my pieces in my lunchbox. Well, not all of my pieces, several of my pieces. They have held up for quite a while. This is the ring that I wear a lot with Anna Luisa. It is the Celine ring. So I have the small one and I also have the medium size one. So I stack these a lot because I like that look. But I wear this one literally almost every single day. If I don't wear this one, I wear this one almost every single day. And I've had it for a year and a half and it still looks very good. I wore wore this bracelet the other day to work and I got a lot of compliments on it. I actually want to get a couple of more of these bracelets. As you all can see, my wrist is kind of tiny. They come in small, medium, and they have a lot of extensions on them. I think that's what it's called. So you can make it as tight or as loose as you want to. So I like that a lot. This is one of my newer necklaces from Ana Luisa, and actually this is what I was thinking about wearing. Although now that I have it on with this bodysuit, I think it would have been a little too dressy, really a little too thick. I would have been doing a little bit too much, but that's why you try on stuff. All of my necklaces are right here in the back. I just have so many Ana Luisa jewelry pieces in my stash and I absolutely love them. I was considering putting on my hoop earrings to go with this, but they already told us we should not wear that. I always wear Ana Luisa earrings and I never take them out. I sleep in them, I shower in them, I go to the beach, go to the pool in them, and I don't have any issues with them. So they really have tarnish-free, long-lasting jewelry. Go ahead and check out Ana Luisa. They have jewelry starting at $39. And with Ana Luisa, you can really elevate your style without breaking the bank. They have fast, free shipping to anywhere in the United States. They also have a 2-year warranty. Check out Ana Luisa, where you can shop one of my favorite jewelry brands and get up to 25% off. And the more that you buy, the more that you save. So make sure you check out Ana Luisa. So let me go ahead and pack up all of my jewelry. I really thought I was gonna be able to wear something like this ring. This has become one of my favorites now, but I'm gonna go ahead and pack that up. I actually scheduled online for 4 p.m. The current time is 1:52. Maximus and I are gonna go on our 1 mile walk, and then I'm gonna come back and probably head on over there so I can be there at good time. All right, Fly Crew, so I'm getting ready to head out of the door. This is the bodysuit, some sneakers, some socks, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my jacket on. It's kind of warm here in Atlanta today. It's about 55 degrees, so I don't need a big coat. Actually, the coat that I wore earlier to take Max out, that was too much. So I decided to switch into this one. This is what I'm wearing, so let's head over there. I'm actually here early. The website said get here about 15 minutes early so you can fill out the waiver, but they also said you can fill out the waiver online. I tried to fill out the waiver online, but it wasn't available for some reason. Online, it said that the total experience will be 1 hour and 15 minutes. You're going to get a little lesson and learn about some things, and then you're gonna get to skydiving, indoor skydiving. So let's go. Oh my God, Fly Crew, that was so much fun. Fly Crew, iFly, cute. Anyway, that was so much fun. I ended up doing a high fly. It was so exciting. At first I wasn't gonna do it just because, I don't know, I just wasn't gonna do it. But there was a couple in there with me. It was just 3 of us, and they did it, and I was like, I want to do that. I want to do that too. It was so much fun. I definitely would do that again. I enjoyed it. Current time is 5 p.m. on the dot. So I'm going to make my way through this Atlanta traffic. If you're familiar with the Atlanta area, the place is in Cobb County, right over here by Cumberland Mall. And honestly, I do not miss living in Cobb County. I lived in Cobb County for 6 years. The traffic was bad then. The traffic is just astronomical now. It is kind of crazy. So I'm going to mosey my way back through the city. Good morning, flight crew members. Today is the next day. Today, I don't have a busy day, but I do have a few things to do to prepare to go on my flight attendant trip, which starts tomorrow. My report time is at 7:15 a.m. And before my report time, I'm going to have to drop Maxximus off at boarding. So I'm going to have an early day tomorrow. The current time is 10:22. I need to check my flight attendant suitcase to make sure I have everything I need. My layover is two places that I don't even know the weather. I'm going to have to check my weather, and both of my overnights are pretty decent. So I think I might switch out a couple of things, but I really don't plan on doing anything on either one of my layovers. I need to do a bunch of computer work. I need to edit. I haven't been doing that this month because January has just been a very, very long month for me, probably for a lot of people. I would like to meal prep for this trip, but when I meal prep, it's going to be light. It's going to be something like ground turkey and maybe some quinoa and vegetables, something like that that's easily able to heat up in my Hot Logic or potentially a microwave, and that will be that. I do want to address something. There has been an aviation incident, two of them, but the one I specifically want to talk about is the one that happened in Washington, D.C., and my thoughts and my prayers go out to everyone that's been affected to that. Anytime something like this happens throughout the world, it's just such a shocker because you don't expect it. No one expects tragedy. With it being so close to home, domestic in the United States is just very, very heartbreaking. So I do want to send out my thoughts and prayers, my well wishes, my virtual hugs to everyone that's been involved with that, and to all my aviation crew members. I know how it feels, especially with me having to fly tomorrow. I know. Take the time out for yourself to make sure you're good mentally and physically, and we will be okay. So let's start our day. It is so warm outside today in Atlanta, 65 degrees, and it's winter. I want to come on here and take the time out to close this vlog. Today has been a very, very heavy day, and yeah, I was taking a social media hiatus. Just in general, I do that from time to time, but I decided to come off of that and let everyone know that I'm okay, and to pass out information for different hotlines that crew members can use, whether it's above the wing or below the wing. And just again, send out my heartfelt condolences and prayers because it's a heavy day in aviation. I want to take this time out today to just rest and relax. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I truly appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you check out Luisa. And again, thank y'all, and I'll catch you in my next vlog.